Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mohammed Ryan and welcome to another programming video with Ayan. So today I want to make a popping game that will include only 2 sprites and will have a lot of code. So let's start. So my plan here is to paint a new sprite. It will be a needle. So let's hurriedly do that. Let's draw a line and make a square on both sides. It will be named as the needle. I am naming it needle. So now I want this size to be 20, not 20. So not 20, but 50. This size will be enough. So now let's take another sprite. Now let's choose a sprite that I want it to be a balloon. So let's its 100 size is enough. So now we have our needle. It looks really 3D, but it's okay because the square or the pointing, you can create anything to represent a needle. I create this. So now for the balloon, first we will code on the balloon. So I want to go on the events and click when this green flag is clicked. Let me light this up. This, and now what I want to do is first let's like change set its size to 100 per 200, and then let's create go to random position, go to X and go to operators, pick random. Now let's do even because the size is 240 to negative 240 and negative 180 to negative to no, positive 180. I will create negative 200 boundary just because the balloon will go into the border and it will not work properly. So negative 140 because I'm decreasing the number by 40. I'm making it a 40. I'm making a 40. I'm decreasing 40 from the original boundary. So now go to X with this put over here. Now I will go to control and if and a forever block. In the forever block there will be a if block, and then in the sensing they will be touching the needle. If it's touching the needle, then I want it to go hide. I want to place out and where it looks hide and then show. This will happen. So it will do like this. If I touch over here, I just starting over here. I'm starting the game. It will not go to random position. Why did not? Because I didn't code over here. So bring this block outwards and duplicate it because I wanted the same. So after showing it, then I want to go. Now what I want to do this is going in a position like this is going in a position. Now the code over here is done, but we will come back to when I want to set the score. Now let's go to the needle and check its score. I want it to be constantly moving, so for that I would like to bring a code. I would like to code. I'll make a variable for that. That will be direction. So now what I will do is, when I create direction, I don't want it to show. I want to use it. So before starting, when this set direction, the direction will be set to right, and the starting position will be. I also want to say something, and the starting position will be go to 0 0. Then do center 0, and y value is and say hello and go to control. Wait 1 second. I want to say pop as many balloons as possible. I'm touching upon a balloon as possible, and when I will create a level, then in the next episode I will create the level of this balloon game, and after the creation of level I will create the levels for the snake game that I left for some time because I didn't upload another video. My plan today was to upload a snake game video, like creating levels in it. But I thought that let's make another game, then we will create levels. So the pop as many balloons as possible, and then wait one second. Then in the forever block, I will create if then I will duplicate and put over here. But before duplicating them, I will create this. So if let's take these is equal to box right left. I didn't change movement because I'm taking the right left button, right left up down, so it's not variable direction. Duplicate these two blocks. ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਏਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਖੇਲਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬੜੇ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਮਕਸਦ ਏਸੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ, ਸਾਰਾ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੱਚੇ ਖੇਲਦੇ ਸੀ, ਸੌਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਸੀ। So now what I want to do is make it move. So first let's go on the move. Let's ignore this for once. And let's go to event. Let's take 4 of these. When this key is pressed. Now when its key is pressed, then I want up, down, right, and left. So now I want to set direction. Set direction to the key I'm pressing. So I'm gonna set direction to the way where the key is pressed. For example, I'm pressing up key. So now I will press go set direction to up. Then if I want to do down key, then I will set direction to down. If I want right, so I will set direction to right. If I want left, then I will set the direction to left. Now what happens? It just changes this. Now I want to change x and y values. Why did I put it at first? Because in right and left there is x, and in up and down there is y. X and y, I want to do it by 10. I accidentally mistaken down, so when down, when change y by negative 5, left negative 5, right is 5. So now if I press this, it will do this. It waits 1 second and it will start. So now I exit the game, but I want to keep score as well. So now go to balloon, and this is short and this is butcher. Look at this mess. And when I go to the balloon, I want to keep score. So let's go to set. Then make a new variable. That will be score. Now score. I will keep the score. So now set. I set set score to 0 when the game started. And change score by 1. Change score by 1. And then what I want to do. And now what I will do, I will change score by 1 if touching needle. So now if I pop as blown as possible, I will do the handles good. Now for fun, if you want to add a backdrop, you can add backdrops. And if you create a control panel over here, I will show you that in the next video. Now let's create a backdrop. I also want to create a border type backdrop like I did in the snake game. I didn't. So let's create a outline, different outline like this. It's gonna be a little bit hard, so this game is gonna be impossible. So now let's go over in this code. Let's go in this code. Now what I want to do is, again let's take when this flag is clicked, then you can go to control and sensing if touching color this, and that's why we have this is touching color this. This touching color this, then stops all. So now it's not stopping it. Why is it stopping it? Because it's not, it's just checking one time. So now I will just put it in a forever loop as well. If touching, then it will stop everything. So now if I touch and stop all. So now what I will say is many as now I will say as many as possible. Without touching the black borders. It will be intensely hard here. So, but I don't want it to be hard. So let's go to the backdrop. And there like I will select this part and I will delete it because I don't want it to be here. I will like SML. Now what I want to do now this is hugely. Now this game, the balloon code is easy, but the needle code is very long. It sounds easy, but it's very long. So now let's start. Now let's test our game. Now we are testing our game, and it's coming right over here. Score 2. Now I'm gonna purposely touch a black code. See, it stopped all. Now I have to click again the flag to like start the game once again. And stop. So this is all for today, and I'll see you in the next video where I will create a level for snake game. Bye bye.